as the Olympic Village, I think we last few times I've done the Olympics, we spent our fair share of time in the Olympic Village. Kind of felt like part there. I mean, usually we stay outside of it, but we get our time right before the opening ceremonies. We get our time to walk through the village, and as we go into other sports as well, we get to walk through the village. So I think we get enough time. And you get juiced up watching other athletes compete at a high level. I think that's contagious. We don't want to sit in your hotel room and watch on TV. So plan on finding the appropriate time to get out there and be a fan as well.
This is nothing new for USA Basketball, who has been staying separately for games since 1992. Serena and Venus Williams also stayed elsewhere during the 2008 Beijing Games, and this year tennis star Novak Djokovic is not in the village. But not all high-profile athletes are in hotels, as Simone Biles is sticking with her team and riding out the cardboard fence in the village.
2024 Paris Olympic Games have already been muddier because many people were under the impression that Fraser Price and Victoria Richardson were severely hindered with their warm-up and therefore were not able to compete well. Some even speculated that Fraser Price was not able to get to the warm-up area in time and therefore had to withdraw because there was just not enough time. Over the course of just 1 or 2 hours, there were hundreds and hundreds of articles speculating what happened, saying that this was a big failure on the Paris Olympics part, and others were even saying that Shelly-Ann Fraser, up to that point, was severely damaged. And the same thing happened this season. She was injured for much of the early months, and because of these nagging injuries, she said that she only had about a month or a month and a half of decent training, and
French pole vaulter becomes internet sensation after his manhood. Amirati was trying to clear a height of 5.70 meters. In the end of his failed attempt, unfortunately for Amirati, his male region flipped the bar twice while he went over it, resulting in a failed vault. A replay showed it was obvious what happened, and broadcasters seemed uncertain how to address it. Naturally, social media caught wind of the mishap, and Amirati quickly became the butt of some food jokes, but he brought that baguette to the games.
Yeah, I was nervous, but also I was injured. 21. 21. The finals.
Bukod sa pagtamasa ni Carlos Yulo ng gintong medalya nitong Olympics 20 sa relasyon niya sa kanyang pamilya, particular sa kanyang mother. Naglipa na kasi ang mga post patungkol sa pagkakaroon ng problema sa pamilyang Carlos na ang kanyang mahal na pamilya ay ginastos o nilustay ang hard-earned money nito sa kanyang pagiging atleta. Sa mga post na ito sa FB ay tila hindi sinuportahan. Ang mother ni Carlos ang kanyang competition at ang post na FB at ipinagdiwang pa ang pagkatalo niya sa Japan sa all-around finals ng 2024 Paris Olympics. Sa kanyang liham kay Carlos, sa pera ang naging dahilan ng alitan sa pagitan ng gold medalist at ng kanyang ina. In all, ay nanimigak na sa loob na naliga pa tila na nalihan ng mga repas sa rocket mahina niya kasi sa Sirac o hindi so na ako narolos tapos sa inyo natin ako makakawin na nilita even so na rin siya tumak na niyak na sa rocket ang mga araw na sinihalik niya even so din so ang mas nilibak na niya kasi o hindi naman nero na iya solino so saan hindi ay libak na lang ang nagyarnaan so rocket na hindi pa sa melbourne pero ay pa sa lumula so ang isa na nabilin ang nice early hit drop sa initial